In this Champion instructional video, we'll demonstrate how to field bend Champion fiberglass conduit. First, put on your safety gear. Next, you'll need a PVC hotbox and one-shot hydraulic conduit bender. Refer to the National Electrical Code guidelines for elbows. Now, check the Champion fiberglass catalog and verify the specific bending radius selected. Refer back to the National Electrical Code in Table 2, Chapter 9 for the allowable radius of a bend. In all cases, bends should be made so that the conduit is not damaged and the internal diameter is not reduced. Next, select a PVC hotbox based on the conduit's outside diameter and the length of the bend. Mark the center of the bend for easy reference later. Place the conduit in the PVC hotbox. Rotate by hand until the conduit reaches the bending temperature. Now verify the bending temperature with an infrared digital thermometer. For initial bending, the recommended temperature should be between 230 to 240 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the conduit has been heated, carefully remove it and place into the one-shot hydraulic bender before it cools down. Make sure that the reference marks on the conduit are aligned with the center of the bending shoe. Next, bend the conduit to the desired angle using the ram travel scale on the one-shot hydraulic bender. After bending the conduit, it will need to cool in the bending shoe. The cooling process can be shortened by using a cool wet rag or running cool water over the bent elbow prior to removing it from the bender. Release pressure on the one-shot hydraulic bender, remove the bend, and verify its fit and condition. It may need to be adjusted. If so, vary the selected radius or the bending temperature. Thanks for installing Champion fiberglass conduit. If you have any questions, we're happy to help at 281-655-8900. And be sure to check the rest of our videos for more fiberglass preparations.